Okay, so today I will be singing a song. I kind of remember the lyrics and kind of don't. I didn't write it down or anything. I just, when I come up with songs or something, like, I'll sing the songs and then it'll be like, oh, okay, I forgot it. But I was trying to put my dog to sleep because he was whining and he didn't want to go to sleep. So, and I sung him a song like the Hush Little, it starts out like a Hush Little Baby song, but I mean, yeah, I'll see if I can remember the words. If I have to, I'll record it over again. But okay. Yes, I do rock like this because it helps him. I don't know why, it just does. I've known this for a fact. Starting to whine again because I was singing so much and it kept me quiet because it was being good. Okay, see if I can remember. Hush, my baby, don't whine today. It's time to sleep tonight. Don't whine, don't pout, don't cry, for I'll be there when you awake. Go to sleep, my little baby. Go to sleep tonight. I'll be there when you awake. Over you I will stand waiting. I'll be there for you when you need me. So don't worry, go to sleep, my little baby. Go to sleep, my baby. Don't cry, don't pout, just close your eyes and go to sleep tonight. Don't cry, don't pout, just go to sleep tonight, my little baby. Just go to sleep for me, 'cause I'll be there when you awake in the morning. So don't worry, just go to sleep for me, my little baby. When you see the sun rise, you may open up your eyes, for I'll be there when you awake. So don't worry about me. Just go to sleep, my little baby, for I'll be there when you awake. Okay, so I guess that worked. But yeah, he fell asleep. Okay, so I guess y'all are the judges, so y'all say what you think, and I don't care if you have bad comments, but I mean, it's okay. So, I know I'm terrible, I'm horrible, but I can try at least. Thank you for watching.